So after the adventure on the train, we're now off to the Valley of the Rocks again because last time we went, the weather was not great. So as the weather's all right today, we're going to go and explore the Valley of the Rocks for a bit, and then after that, the plan is to go and explore some of the moorland around here and maybe try and spot an Exmoor pony if we're lucky. And there's lots of red deer as well around here, so that's our plan for today.
So we've just made it to Valley of the Rocks and it looks stunning up here. When we were here last time there was like rain clouds blowing through so you could barely see anything, but we can see all the rock formations now.
It's quite moody and dramatic, but and we've spotted the goats as well. There's like loads of goats everywhere. Didn't see the goats last time, they were all hiding probably in the bushes somewhere. Look, like literally everywhere.
So we're going to go walk up to the top and explore, and we've got about 2 hours in the car parking here. But yeah, it looks like a pretty cool place to be.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
So we're just driving through Exmoor National Park and we've found the wild ponies. They're more like wild horses here because they're quite big, but there's like a whole herd of them.
Very quiet. I thought we were going to be searching ages and I saw some back there, but they were like in the distance. And these ones are literally on the road.
If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds.
The ticky noise.
Yeah.
So many hills. And down the hill. Up the hill.
So we've just broken down. When we've been going up hills, we've noticed like a clicking as we've been going through the gears, and it's been like clicking as it's been climbing hills. And then we've just been driving through Exmoor National Park, and it seems like the hills have just killed the van. It's been getting louder and clicking even when we haven't been accelerating. And then I switched down into 4th gear there, and the power and the steering just almost went, and we just completely lost power in the van. So we're blocking someone's drive at the moment. Hannah's just gone in to see if we can use her phone because we've got no phone signal. And yeah, we're going to try call the RAC and see what happens, but fingers crossed it's not anything too bad, but very annoying. So this is where the belt is supposed to be. It's supposed to be on there, it's supposed to be all around here, and you can see it just down there. The belt is just hanging down. I don't know if you can see it, it's dark, but yeah, basically the belt is off the whole thing. So yeah, got to get that fixed.
So what's happened?
Well, I've already just spoken to the camera saying it broke down, but then I've lifted the bonnet up, and I can see that the I don't know how this works.
Think they go out?
Yeah, I think they need to go up there. I can see that the belts come off, so it's a bit of a major thing. So.
And weren't we just talking about vans breaking down in the car?
This has got oil all over it still from the. How the heck do these things? They end up breaking it, aren't they? Oh, I guess you just stick it into the ground. Oh, they. What?
No, they just go back. They just sit back.
Do they?
Oh.
Doesn't seem to want to.
Oh, yeah. Literally broken down in the middle of nowhere. But on a quite busy road, so Jonny's just putting a triangle out just to help people to slow down.
there's also no signal here, so I had to run to one of the houses, and the lady there let me use her phone, and she said actually around here in Exmoor National Park there's a lot of vehicles, like especially heavier vans and buses and stuff, that just break down because the hills basically just kill them. So hopefully, well, basically the hills probably have killed our van, but hopefully it's not anything too drastic. So
yeah, hopefully we might just be here for the rest of the week. I don't know.
Yeah. This is our second breakdown in this van, but the first one on the road, so at least we've got our house on wheels with us and we can go have a nap or something. So update on the breakdown. Our recovery, well, RAC man is 28 minutes away now.
Oh, good man.
He's going to get here and he's going to be like, can't fix that, so then he's going to have to call someone else who's going to probably tow us. It's just one of those stressful things, isn't it?
Well, like you said, it's life. Get used to the ups and downs.
Maybe, is this the end of van life after 5 weeks?
Yeah, is it a sign that we shouldn't be doing this? Comment down below.
No.
Yeah. It's funny, isn't it? In these situations you start thinking about retrospect and then you think, oh, what did I do wrong, or what have I
Or you start
done
thinking,
to get into this position?
how much is this going to cost? Is this a major thing? What else is wrong with the van? And it probably is just one thing, it's just unlucky.
But you do think the worst, don't you?
Of course.
Like your brain just goes into
I'm
negative, negative.
thinking right now, like, let's just set fire to the whole thing and be done with it.
That's a bit extreme. I think Johnny needs some sweets or chocolate or something to cheer you up.
Just need the van to be fixed.
Yeah.
He's going to grab a torch and have a look.
He's arrived. Adam has arrived. RAC has arrived.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. This guy's falling asleep on the dashboard. What has he done?
He's just, the diesel injectors were loose, so he's just tightened it. We had to get the belt back on, and we think that there's an oil leak that made the belt slip off.
Issues and
Right, where's my phone?
just here. How can we keep getting minor issues and then the whole engine failing?
Because the belt came off. So basically, there's a fuel injector, and get off, Sky. And then he thinks that created a little bit of an oil leak. We've lost a little bit of oil, but he said not enough to stop us from driving. Down you go.
Right.
Down. And
Oh, it's very like juddery. I'm just thinking, are we just going to get up the hill and it's just...
No, he said he has no worries about sending us on our way.
Okay. You signed all the documents?
Didn't need to sign anything, just
We're on the road again! Woo!
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
He said we'll want to get the engine bay cleaned and also get the belt probably replaced, just because when they do come off they can be a little bit fragile. He said he's checked it over and he said it looks absolutely fine. He was confused at why it came off at first, so we got the belt back on, so I had to help him like lever it on because
can't just do it by yourself.
Because we thought, I said to him, like, has the tensioner lost its tension? But the tensioner was like solid, so we had to use the screwdriver to lever it back on, and then when we got it back on, we were able to turn the engine over again, and then he was able to see where the oil was leaking from. Because that's the first thing he said as well, is he goes, there's oil here, so there must be an oil leak somewhere. And I said, has the belt like knocked something? And he goes, well, I can't. He goes, that would have only been the power steering. But it's driving better than it was. So that noise, that clicking noise that we heard when we were going up hills,
yeah,
that's basically the fuel injectors were loose. So that's what noise that was. So he's tightened all that back down again. He said it's tightened. He said they'll probably need to be replaced.
Okay.
But happy days, we're on the road again.
What the heck?
That was like an hour and a half out of our time.
And we were blocking someone's drive, weren't we?
Yeah,
And
they're really good about it though.
luckily they were really nice. And they can get on their drive now.
Yeah, they're really cool. She was like, don't worry.
Oh, can't believe it.
Oh, a big sigh of relief.
Till the next breakdown.
So guys, we've made it to our park up. We've we made it. The van held together, which is good. She's a little bit jiggery at low speeds, but she's good. She's the engine seems much stronger than it did actually. Going up hills and stuff, we were seeming to lose power before, which was probably part of the issue. But she's doing well. And look at this park up that Hannah's found. Look at these views out of here. It's amazing. So Hannah's just going to cook us some dinner now. Squeeze through.
Risotto.
Some nice risotto.
Hopefully.
I think these cats are desperate for some attention as well.
Yeah.
And we're just happy that we're on the road again. Yeah, it's beautiful around here. So we're just happy that we were able to be on the road again. And there was, you know, it's like an hour and a half delay with the RAC man coming and fixing it, so it really wasn't that bad, and we thought the worst. But yeah, all good. And we've got we've got these gingerbread people.
This is what Jonny got.
Yeah, this is my treat. So this is
Mr.
Hannah.
and Mrs. Gingerbread.
This is me.
What are you wearing? Like swimming shorts or something?
So what the heck
with
are you
goggles.
I mean, there's not much covering down here.
Yeah. I put on a tight dress or something. I don't know.
It's so tight. It's not even on your crotch. So we'll catch up with you guys again in the morning when we go and explore Cheddar Gorge. Good morning everybody. So after all the drama of yesterday, we've made it to Cheddar Gorge. Well, we made it to Cheddar, not quite to the gorge yet. We're just taking the back road now, which is the less touristy trail, which means it's free. Otherwise you have to pay the other way.
I think so, yeah, that's what I read online.
Yep. So we'll see.
Yeah,
hopefully it's worth
an
it.
uphill climb.
And we're going to earn our carvery later. So the footpath that Hannah found just comes up from behind that tree, and the Jacob's ladder is just there. So I think that's a win.
I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
So guys, this is probably one of the highest points you can get to in the gorge, and the
Yeah.
views are crazy. It's making your palms sweat a bit, isn't it?
Yeah, Jonny keeps going to the edge and I'm like, please don't.
But yeah, it's spectacular up here, and I think we've just managed to avoid the rain. Maybe it's going to come, but it's all right so far. But yeah, pretty crazy down there.
Yeah, really nice. And you see all the cyclists struggling going up the hill. I wouldn't want to be one of them.
Next time.
We're on our way for a lovely roast dinner, which we haven't had in a long time. And we're just walking along these lovely little cobbled streets. And very excited to have a roast for you.
Yeah, I think you've been very excited. You haven't been able to sleep over this, have you?
No, I was really gutted because I called like loads of places and they were already fully booked a few days ago. And this one said apparently best Sunday roast, so
We'll
very
find out.
excited. So we've almost made it home and the van has behaved itself. We haven't had any more problems, which has been really good. And we've basically got a week off now to work and reset our batteries. And we're going to get the van checked in as well at a garage just to get it checked over. As the RAC guy told us that it's a good idea, so that's something we were going to do anyway. Get it all sorted and looked at, and finish off a few kind of bits and pieces in the van that we wanted to get finished before we hit the road. And then after that we head to Wales. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
See ya.